Okay, this is the beginning, or late beginning of the first evening of the blizzard of 2011, Southside Chicago. As you can see, it's brisk, and it's just a blast. It sounds like an ocean roaring. That's exactly how it sounds in real life. The wind is enough to, I mean, if I had a kite, I'd go in the stratosphere right about now. But it's just really turbulent, to say the least. And that's the school across there. The wind is whipping the snow into eddies of dancing, twirling dervishes over there on the school. The garbage cans are slamming, and the drifts just appear out of nowhere. Taste of it. We'll see what happens by tomorrow morning. Over and out.